Introducing the Voltera 60. Enjoy up to 75 minutes of cordless operation, giving you the freedom to clean your pool without limits. This is your complete solution for picking up leaves, sand, and silt. The mesh filter traps larger debris while the cartridge filter tackles finer debris. For deeper cleaning, the garden hose adapter allows you to vacuum to waste. These are the components included. It also includes a telescopic pole and ergonomic manual handle, as well as a manual and a power adapter and hose fittings. Watch how easy it is to assemble, designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. And just as easy to operate, making pool cleaning effortless for anyone. The Voltera 60 is compact, ultra-light and maneuverable, giving you full control without the bulk. Available now at Pool & Spa Warehouse, your partner for effortless pool care.